Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a wave pattern short here on the NASDAQ futures. First target is actually right in the right place, 44.98. Second target is going to be at 44.90. Let's go to 95.5. And then from 95.5, the next target we can just stack up on top of that same location. So I'm looking for a relatively quick move, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. We've already got the first target filled. Stop will go down to break even. We're looking to ride the rest of this out. So the NASDAQ and really all of the indices have been pretty volatile the past couple days. It's a good way to start the year out in the sense that we've been seeing a decent amount of movement. Now, that movement you can use to your advantage, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Very quick moves that we're seeing on the wave patterns and price action and just in general. So using that information to our advantage and knowing that we can get these fast little scalps off and then possibly look for a little bit of a larger target. Right here, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that the S&P and all of the indexes, including the NASDAQ here that we're looking at, had a relatively strong trap bottom and then rocketed to the upside. You can see that massive parabolic move all the way up. Very obvious that the next pullback is going to get bought. That's a pretty obvious thing that's going to happen here. But as we started nearing up towards these highs into resistance, this is the last time that we started turning around, we saw the exact same thing. They double topped up here and shot right back down again. And that move down was strong enough to form a reset in the opposite direction. Now, the overall wave itself, if you were to measure up the small guy right here from just the high to the low, it really obviously it didn't pull back that far, right? It barely even made it to the cloud and then pushed right back down. So looking for a little bit of a larger wave in this case just kind of made a little more sense. We had an exact test of the trigger zone. Draw that back up right here. Beautiful test of the trigger zone and a gorgeous reversal bar right off of that to push it back down again. Now you are selling directly into the BMT, but use it in context. What's the BMT doing right now? It's completely sideways, right? So being sideways, it's more range than anything else. It doesn't hold as big of a bias as a normal trend type environment. And the trade's already done. Very fast move to the downside. Overall, from our entry point to that first target here, we got 2.5 points. And then the second target down to the low here at 95.5. Where's my little arrow there? There it is. 5 points on that last one. Now, we traded 8 contracts on this because the NASDAQ only ticks at $5 a tick, so it's a nice, cheap little market here. So overall, on the trade, we have $600 locked in a very fast move down. So it just goes to show you when you have this high volatility, you can really put away a good chunk of profit in short order. A very beautiful movement that we're seeing right now in the indexes. So keep an eye on them. Definitely keep an eye on them. We can use that to our advantage. So overall, that's going to do it for me. $600 on the trade. If you have any questions about it, feel free to shoot an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. And as always, we'll catch you next time.